cookies. First, we mix up the flour. My finger down my sheet. Now I add the baking soda. Now I add the salt. I love salt. Mixture. Mixture. Now set that aside. Add the butter into a new bowl. Roll the butter. Now I have the butter beat. Now the granulated sugar. Now I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it all up. Now I'm adding the brown sugar. Mix that. It smells good. Now put in vanilla. Whoa. Mix it. We'll add that in one of a time. For it can look like a bone. Won't see that. Then mix that. Slowly put in the flour. It can look like snow. Now this is my favorite part. When the dough put in the cotton tips. Man, I got fire. It's good. Okay, the mixture. Now that mix, I got fry it. I like that more. But enough for now. Now I take the little book and put on the pan. Put me the oven at 375. Baking for 10 minutes. Have the pan hold out.
Bye.
I can't do something. It's beeping. No, take him out. Let control. Now take the bite. It's good. It's delicious. No. Have some baking.